Hello students, today we will discuss our workbook My Polls Are Here Maths 4B 3rd edition. Hari ini kita akan membahas My Polls Are Here workbook Maths 4B. Let's open our book at page 151. Chapter 14 about tables and line graphs. Practice 1 tables. Tentang tabel. Number 1. The table shows the different types of vehicles that pass the town center between 9:30 a.m. and 9:45 a.m. on Sunday last week. Jadi tabel berikut menunjukkan jenis kendaraan berbeda yang melewati pusat kota di antara pukul 9.30 hingga pukul 9.45 pada hari Minggu lalu. Use the data in the table to answer the questions. Gunakan data berikut untuk menjawab pertanyaan yang ada. Here we can see the type of vehicles and the number of vehicles here. 8 cars, 8 mobil, 4 motorcycles, 4 sepeda motor, 6 vans, 6 mobil karavan, 2 lorries, 2 mobil gerobak, 1 bicycle, 1 sepeda. How many vans pass the town center? Berapa banyak mobil karavan yang melewati pusat kota? Let's see again. There are 6 vans. Jawabannya 6. B. How many lorries pass the town center? Berapa banyak mobil gerobak yang melewati pusat kota? There are 2 lorries. Ada 2. C. How many more vans than lorries pass the town center? Berapakah lebih banyak mobil karavan dibanding mobil gerobak yang melewati pusat kota? Let's see, there are 6 vans and there are 2 lorries. So, 6 minus 4 equals 6 minus 2 equals 4. D. Which type of vehicle pass by the town center most often? Berapa jenis kendaraan yang paling banyak melewati pusat kota? Yang paling banyak? 8 cars. So the answer is car. Jawabannya adalah mobil yang paling banyak melewati. E. Which type of vehicle pass by the town center least often? Berapa banyak kendaraan yang paling sedikit melewati pusat kota? The answer is bicycle. Only 1 bicycle. Now turn on page 152. Number 2, Mrs. Gopal recorded the heights and mass of 9 pupils in the following table. Nyonya Gopal mencatat berat dan tinggi dari 9 murid di tabel berikut. Here are their names, here are their heights, and here are the mass. The height in centimeter and the mass in kilogram. A. How tall is Ethan? Berapa tinggi si Ethan? Let's see the table again. Ethan has 141 cm height. 141 cm. B. How much does Prema weigh? Berapakah berat si Prema? 47 kilograms. 47 kilogram. C. Who is the tallest? Siapa yang paling tinggi? The tallest is 153 cm. And that is Raju. Jawabannya si Raju. D. Who is the lightest? Siapa yang paling ringan? Let's see the table again. The lightest is 38 kilograms. And that is Wahid. Jadi jawabannya si Wahid. E. How much shorter is Linlin than Ismail? Lebih pendek berapakah si Linlin dibandingkan dengan Ismail? Linlin is 145 cm and Ismail is 150 cm. So we subtract 145 from 150. Kita kurangkan and the answer is 5 cm. Jadi jawabannya 5 cm. F. How much heavier is Chloe than Mariam? Lebih berat berapakah si Chloe dibandingkan dengan si Mariam? Let's see the table again. Chloe is 42 kg and Mariam 40 kilograms. And then we subtract 40 from 42. Jadi 42 dikurangkan dengan 40. The answer is 2 kg. 2 kg jawabannya. Next, number 3. The table shows the number of boys and girls going to school by bus or MRT train. Tabel berikut menunjukkan jumlah anak laki-laki dan perempuan yang pergi ke sekolah dengan bus dan kereta api MRT. Here are the number of boys and the total, and number of girls and the total. Okay. A. How many girls are there? Berapa anak perempuan yang ada? So, we look at the total of number of girls. 24 girls. 24 anak perempuan. B. How many boys travel to school by bus? Berapa anak laki-laki yang pergi ke sekolah dengan bus? To know the answer, we must subtract 7 from 19. So the answer is 12 boys. C. How many more girls than boys travel by MRT train to school? Berapa lebih banyak anak perempuan dibanding anak laki-laki yang naik kereta api MRT ke sekolah? There are 17 girls, ada 17 perempuan and 6 boys. So, we subtract 6 from 17 and the answer is 11 girls. Jawabannya 11 anak perempuan. D. How many fewer pupils take the bus than the MRT train to school? Berapakah lebih sedikit murid yang naik bus dibandingkan dengan kereta api? Here are 19 pupils that use the bus and 23 pupils that take the MRT train. So we subtract 19 from 23. 23 dikurangkan dengan 19 and the answer is 4 pupils, 4 murid. Okay, now page 154. Number 4. The table shows a record of the scores that each pupil obtained in a game. Tabel berikut menunjukkan hasil pencatatan skor setiap murid yang mereka dapat dalam permainan. Skor 0 to 3. And here are number of pupils. 10, 11, 28, 2. A. How many pupils played the game together? Altogether, berapa banyak murid yang bermain game seluruhnya? Berarti kita jumlahkan. We add the number of pupils. 10 plus 11 plus 28 plus 2. Altogether, 51 pupils. 51 murid. B. What was the score obtained by the most number of pupils? Berapakah skor yang paling banyak diperoleh oleh siswa? Score 2. See what was the score obtained by the least number of pupils. Berapakah skor yang paling sedikit didapat oleh jumlah murid? Score 3. Skor 3. D. How many pupils had a score greater than 1? Berapa banyak murid yang memiliki skor yang lebih dari 1? It means they got score 2 and 3. And the number of pupils are 28 and 2. So we add 28 pupils plus 2 pupils. And the answer is 30 pupils. Jawabannya ada 30 murid. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.